Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Ahsan. In today's video, I want to talk about the latest updates from Trade Republic, which I think are absolutely game changing. On Wednesday, I received an email from Trade Republic, but I didn't pay a lot of attention on it, thinking that it was probably another marketing email, so I ignored it. But today I read that email and it had some really interesting information written in it. In their email, they have written that from now on, 1500 ETFs are available for commission-free trading and for free savings plan. Previously, they were only offering ETFs from iShares, but right now they have also started offering ETFs from Wisdom Tree, Xtrackers, Luxor, Amundi, DWS. And in addition, they have doubled their savings plans for shares from 1000 to a total of 2500. They have also provided a complete list of the ETFs that they are offering. You can have a look at this and I'll put it in the description below. And in addition to this increased number of ETFs and shares, they've also done some great changes in their UI. So let's have a look in their app. Once you go in the search option, here now you can see that in the ETF section, instead of just the ETF name, below in the details, they are also sharing the provider names. Here in the Global Clean Energy ETF, they are also writing iShares. And if you want to have a look at all of the ETFs, just click on the show more option and you can see all of the ETFs that are available in Trade Republic from now on. So you can see that there are iShares, then Wisdom Tree, Luxor, and any ETF that you want out of these new providers. Another interesting thing that Trade Republic has implemented in their app is the focus for the ETF. For example, in the Global Clean Energy ETF, we can have a look that the ETF is focused on direct investment into 30 global companies, clean energy sector exposure to broadly diversified clean energy companies. They've provided the issuer, which is iShares, the total expense ratio, type of profit, then the metrics for the ETF, the day range, the 52-week range, when and how much is the dividend payout. Another new section here is the sector. You can clearly have a look at how much percentage of this ETF is in which sector. For example, in the Global Clean Energy ETF, the majority is in the utilities sector, which is 45.34%, information technology 25.7%, industrial 25.14%, energy and water 2.18%, and cash and derivatives at 1.64%. In addition to the sectors, they have also included the countries in which these companies are situated. Again, I think this is a really great option that they have added. Everything is there within the details section for this ETF. And if you have a look again, they have a 38.16% exposure in the US, China, it's 12.79%, and every other country is also given in detail. Another thing that they've included in this new update is the composition of every single company in the ETF. So in this Global Clean Energy ETF, we can have a look at all of the companies that are included and their weightage for the ETF. So if you are interested in the individual companies, if you want to have a look at what companies there are in the ETF, you can simply go and look within the app. Previously, what people used to do, or what I used to do, was go to just ETFs or other ETF tracking websites, have a look at the total expense ratio, the composition of the ETFs, what were the individual percentages for the companies which were involved in the ETF. But now everything is within the app. You can easily look which companies are there. If you want to invest in them individually, you can simply click the composition button, looking at the companies that are inside the ETF. For example, here we have a look, and let's have a look at First Solar, which has a 3.91% share in this Global Clean Energy ETF. And we can click that and easily buy it directly. And once again, if you go back in the core data, they've also provided more details. For example, the inception date, the domicile, the use of income, if it's distributing or not, the total expense ratio, the assets, the ISIN number, the name of the ETF. This is really amazing. And if you scroll back to the top again, and here you have an option of you can find key information document of the issuer here. So if you click that, you will be sent to a PDF document from the issuer, which has again further detailed information about the ETF itself. So I think this is really amazing, and Trade Republic is heading in a really great direction, and it's really showing that they are working on their UI and they're really thinking of providing details to the users, which is really useful. From this video, you can figure out that I really like this update. Let me know in the comment section below if you like this update, what were the points or what were the updates that you like the most, and if you think they should add some more options and what they should remove. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, as this helps me out a lot and lets Google know that you're liking my content. And don't forget to share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bleib gesund.